Alright guys, 8x1, 0.75 new air tire, or new tires. Finally got it today. So I got two tires, and they sent me the bolts again, which I said just send me the tires, but no, they sent me the whole thing. Good thing from them. Next thing I'm going to show you, this is my second 50-foot 3/8 inch hose. So I'm going to show you, or attempt to show you, how to add this white tape. And I want you to look at the marking on this. Truflate, I get this from Advanced Auto Parts, and they ship it for free. It's all the way up to resist twisting, resistance torsion, and it's very good cold weather flexibility. And look at that. It'll go up to 300 psi. 3-year warranty. Look at all the checkpoints. So all that plastic shit I had bought before sucked. So next video I'm going to show you how to screw this stuff together and tape it. It'll be simple. We'll be back. Alrighty, so on this, you back the rubber Truflate back, and it goes, turn it to the right, okay? So when I put the tape on, I will go this way. No, this way. No, when I rip it off, it's the other way. So I got to go this way. Let me show you in a minute. Alright, so I did this from the left to the right. So now, it won't peel the tape up. So now, will be this side. The same deal. Pull the red thing back. So it'll be left to right. Keep the tape tight. So then when you break it, normally you use a pair of scissors, but I don't do it. I rip it apart So that's taped, and then I run my fingers around it to make sure it's smooth. So this screws right on. Now the thing is, if you reverse that tape, it'll peel it back off and give you problems. Kind of a pain in the ass. But I'm not going to show you me using the wrenches to do this 1/4-inch stuff. But I will tell you, down inside there, you have to pay attention to the size of the diameter, because if you go smaller, you'll get less air through the whole thing. So I want to show you that, and I'll tighten them up, and you don't need to see any more, because once they're tight, then we'll pull the rubber up over to protect all this crap. Same on this end. Once everything's tightened up, this one plugs into the air compressor. This one plugs into the air tool or the next hose. So now I will have 100 feet of this rubber hose, which I'm telling you, this is the way to go. I've already tried all that plastic bullshit. I'll never do it again. So I get this from Advanced Auto Parts. I want to say 50 feet is $30 some dollars. But if you get over $30, then they ship it free. So that's what I deal with. Same thing with Walmart. I keep it over $35 so I get free shipping. So now I've got a 3/8 gun coming, air impacted, and a couple other things. So, all right, enjoy yourself, figure it out. This is like stupid, but it's not stupid. And I'll tell you another good one is oh man, Boto Bob, BOTOBOB. He just bought the new toolboxes, and it's all great, but the garage I have is a 1-car garage, so I don't have the room for all that shit until I get the truck out. And then once after that, well, then I don't have anything to work on because the truck's gone and the boat's gone. So, all right, NT8 on the porch. We'll talk to you later.